I was dead set on, I don't know if it's David versus Goliath or what it is in me, but I wanted to beat the big corporations. I didn't want to beat some guy at his $20. I wanted to take on the casinos. And to do that, I came to find out that there's really 4 ways you can do that. So here I was. I made set the goal, and I was on my way. Convinced the wife. I dove head first into it. And what I came up with was you're either going to have to play blackjack and learn to count cards. You're going to have to either bet on sports, bet on the horses, or video poker. And, of course, like I said, regular poker. But I decided that I wasn't going to do that. So for me, the first thing that jumped out was twofold. One was sports gambling. The thing I didn't like about the sports gambling was it wasn't 2 + 2 = 4. It's a bit ambiguous. The thing I really that caught my eye was the blackjack card counting. I've always been big on numbers, big on the math, and it was pretty clear cut what you had to do. You're going to get the 6 and 8 deck shoes, and so it's tough to get much of an advantage, if any. So you have to be very detailed. You have to be very disciplined. You have to make sure that you are, in fact, getting an advantage. And, again, it's easier in Vegas. The games are better. The selection's better. AC's more difficult. But it is possible. The math part was great. So I decided that's it. Blackjack card counting, that's me. I'm all in. And for the next several months, I dedicated 12, 15 hours a day to card counting. I did everything. I learned everything. I practiced everything. Well, that's all well and good, but the hardest part is being able to stay in the casino. And, you don't find that out till a little bit later on. It's one thing to learn, from the books and learn how to do it, and to this day I can do it quite well. But once you actually get into the casino, it's a cat and mouse game. I did pretty well, and I was in the positive, but it didn't take me that long to realize, what, this really isn't for me. I'm not an actor. I'm a numbers guy. I enjoy the numbers. And to make a long story short, I did the card counting for a few months, and I went back to what Bob Dancer suggested, and that was video poker. If you make the mathematically correct play on each hand that you're dealt and have flawless play, you can actually have an advantage over the casino.